everybody, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair product review. I was recently sent these products to try, and I'm always excited when I get to try out a new product and see how it works for my hair. So just to give you a little bit of background before I jump into the review and the demo, I received 5 products from this line, and I used 3 of them in my hair. I haven't gotten to get to the wash and go yet, which is why I haven't used the gel. And the mousse I haven't used either because I typically use mousse when I'm doing like a flexi rod or a perm rod, which is not that often. So when I do get to those 2 things, I will try out those 2 products just to see how they work as well. The product I want to talk about is the Defining Cream from Not Your Mother's Curlk line. So I will be honest, when I first tried this product, because this is my second time using it, I didn't think that I would use it again. It did help define my hair, as you can see now. This is my day 1, but it left a good amount of flakes, which leads me to my next point, okay? In life, we should always read the instructions. I am definitely a culprit of not reading the instructions for hair products because I just always assume that my hair will always just need more than what is suggested. But for this product in particular, I do think that you should follow the instructions. It says, on damp hair, apply a small amount evenly from roots to end. I used a good amount, probably about that much per twist, the first time I used this product, and that left me with a lot of flakes. It did define my hair, but I'm just not a big fan of flakage, so I was like, you know what? I'm probably not going to use this again. When I came around the second time and I did the whole washing process, and then I read the instructions, I was able to get the desired results, and I don't have any excess residue or flakes or anything like that. So, what this product says it'll do, it says, let's just read the whole thing. Let your curls do the talking. Create maximized definition with lasting elasticity and shine. Seal in moisture and eliminate frizz while providing manageable, lustrous locks that enhance your natural curls. So, I would say that it did everything on here except maybe provide me with a shine. I definitely feel like I got a good amount of definition and elasticity. My hair does feel moisturized. I don't know if it's 100% to just this product, and it did minimize the frizz, but shine, not quite. So, like I said, the first time I went around, this didn't really work for me. The second time, when I followed the instructions, paired with the other 2 products, I think it worked very, very well. Not sure how it would hold up on its own because, like I said, I tend to need a little bit more product, but with this line in particular, which is another thing I always recommend, to just try out a line with all the products all together instead of mixing and matching, it works well with its other products, and I think that's how it's set up to be. So, going back to my first step in my routine is the Curl Care Shampoo. Shampoo. And it says it gently cleanses and hydrates for enhanced curl retention. I am a big fan of, oh, it does have a keratin in it, that's why. I'm really a big fan of shampooing, guys, not gonna lie. I like co-washing, but I think that I'm back to shampooing for a while just because I think that's what my hair needs. Saying all of that, I still look for shampoos that have a lot of moisture in them because of the fact that my hair is going to get dried out if I continue to use shampoo all the time. So what I will say about this that I liked is I did feel like it gave that kind of stripping, but it wasn't stripping to the point where it was getting knotty and tangled. And that's usually when I can tell that if a shampoo has taken too much out of my hair, when I rinse it off and try and run my fingers through it and they get kind of caught. I was able to run my fingers through in after I applied this. It lathered very well. I did it 3 times, and I really felt like I got a nice kind of clean base for the conditioner to come in and do its work. So I would definitely recommend the shampoo. Again, I think keeping the products together is definitely what makes this work. Sometimes when you try and separate them, it might be a different kind of story, but I think having these all together is what helped me achieve the results that I got here. And the last product that I'm going to talk about today is the 3-in-1 conditioner. Now, I have always been skeptical of 3-in-1 type of conditioner just because I don't really feel like it's possible for it to do all 3 things. I was always just like, How are you saying that you can be a leave-in, a rinse out, and a co-wash if need be? But I was fooled. This product says that it's an all lush 3-in-1 conditioner to seal in moisture and restore elasticity for hydrated curls your way. Can be used as a leave-in, rinse out, or co-wash. So now I used it. I'm excited to see this as a co-wash because, like I said, when I have to go back to co-washing, I'm curious. So I applied this. I did about a good generous amount. I applied to my hair. I sectioned it off, and I was able to kind of brush it through really easily. I mean, conditioner and my hair lately have just been meshed, and like the conditioners I've been trying have just been on point, detangle, easy, and out. And even when I like left it in for a little while, and then I left it in probably for like 3 minutes and rinsed it out, I left a little bit more after, and when I came out the shower, I tell you, please excuse my face, guys. So I just got fresh out the shower, just first thoughts out of the shower. I really am excited to see this conditioner in action once my hair dries. I did leave a little bit in after I left it on for about 5 minutes, and I rinsed it out. I didn't rinse all of it out because it is technically a leave-in. And right now my hair feels really soft. So I am somewhat excited to see how these results come out. I'm going to go ahead and twist up my hair. I'm going to go ahead and twist up my hair and get to bed, and then I'll take them out tomorrow and be able to give you guys a little bit more feedback on these products. My hair was so soft. I was super excited to kind of see how the results would turn out. I will say that, you know, some areas are still like a tad bit dry, but for the most part my hair does feel pretty moisturized. And here in Jersey the weather is transitioning, so I know that my hair is going to start to feel a little bit drier, but it has like just a softness to it. The curls just, it's bomb. So after using it as a rinse out, I did go ahead and use this as a leave-in. Now when I got out of the shower, I had like probably a little bit left, and because I wanted to add something with this, because I just didn't feel like, you know, this little penny size amount of product wasn't going to do anything, I just paired these two together. So I did a little pump of this, a little bit of that per strand, and that kind of got my cream jelly-like consistency. This is not like gel at all. Let me show you guys. It's definitely a cream. Sorry, I know that's kind of nasty, but I just wanted to show you it's not a gel, but it does have I would say it has more of a hold than a normal cream would, because even when I kind of put it on and I let my curls stick, I can feel that there's like a little bit of a hardening, and I think that's what helps with the definition. But in terms of moisture and it being a cream, you're gonna need a little something else. So I thought that this conditioner was perfect for that. I just paired them together, and that was it. My regular twist out, and I was on my way. I really do think that this line can probably become a regular in my closet, just because I think together it works very well. I think there's some lines sometimes that I find is even their products together kind of don't work that well, but this together, it definitely does the job. I can't really speak for it being separate or maybe mixing it with other products, but I think as far as just as a line, and these 3 products that I was able to try for my twist out, it really did what it promised. So I'm excited about that. If you have tried Not Your Mother's, any of their products, because I know they have like a whole line. There's another line that I'll be trying for you guys in a video in the near future. But if you tried any of their products, let me know down in the comments below. What was your experience? Do you like it? Do you think it works for natural hair, particularly 3B, C, 4A type hair? And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time in my next one. Bye.